This guy asked, do you always take profit at 1R or do you trail stops in certain circumstances? So no, I don't take profit at 1R all the time. This is just my bread and butter, my generic setup. When the quality of the trade is somewhat mediocre or it's just a normal trade, then I'll just take it easy. I'll either get out at 1R or I'll get out at wherever the next resistance may be, which can sometimes be like 1.2 or like 1.1, something like that. The only time that I'll go for way more than this, like significantly more than this, is if there just simply isn't a logical place to take profits. And in those instances, I would just have no TP at all and only trail the stop losses. And the only time that I'll do that is, let's say we have like an all-time high breakout and it's like a really, really clean staircase. Then and only then will I say, okay, I don't actually need a TP. I can just trail the stop. No problemo. Or I might take like, it depends on the circumstances. Also depends on like how liquid and how much volume the coin is doing. The less liquid the coin, the more aggressive I will be with taking profit. The more liquid the coin is, the more I'll be happy to let it run after an all-time high break. And the logic for that is because this thing is only going to run until the biggest guy takes profit. And if the coin is really illiquid, once the biggest guy takes profit, he's literally going to create a candle that looks something like this. So like, even if I do have a trail stop loss somewhere over here, I'm actually going to get executed somewhere like down here. So it's like, well, do I really want to have a trailed stop loss where I know I'm probably going to get slipped like 2 or 3R or something? Or would I rather just get out for like 1 or 2R, something like that? Just take what I can. And if it keeps going, it keeps going. Because whenever we have a really clean looking trend, there's really two ways that you can take advantage of it. The first way is one huge target with one huge trade where you just keep compounding into it with the trailed stop loss. That's option one. Or option two, you're just trading it a lot and you're just taking lots of trades. I personally would much rather take like a lot of little trades rather than do the whole huge compounded thing. The only time that I do the huge, massive compounded trades with like really wide targets, and I'm using a trailed stop loss to basically take profit, not the TP itself. That's really only for like very specific circumstances, like all-time high breaks or like all-time low breaks, or like if a project got hacked and like now and then the price action basically looks something like this. Well, it's like this is the hack and then this is the slow bleed like after the fact. Things like that. But yeah, most of the time, like majority of the time, I'm trading somewhere between like a 1 to a 1 to 1.5R range.